Hello and welcome back to this special edition of the Azure Terraformer. Today I got some extra special news in my email. I received a letter informing me that HashiCorp has selected me as a HashiCorp Ambassador within the community in 2024. I cannot believe it. I am very humbled by this recognition. As many of you know, I started this YouTube channel because I felt like the Azure community was lagging behind a little bit our compatriots on the AWS side of the fence. And I felt like the word just needed to be spread about how to use Terraform on Azure and how to apply infrastructure as code, best practices by infusing software development lifecycle into infrastructure as code methodologies. And when I started my channel last year on January 30th, I had no idea that this ambassador program even existed. But as I plugged into the community and got to know some other ambassadors out there like Brian Krausen and Ned Bellavance, I became more aware of this program. And I appreciate HashiCorp for having a program like this and for recognizing those that are very active in the community. And I'm very humbled and honored to be selected as part of this group. So thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. But I also wanted to take a moment and thank you, my audience. You are the unsung heroes of the Azure Terraformer. For you go forth and terraform Azure every day. And I take solace in knowing I am not the only one. So stay tuned. I have a lot more in store for 2024. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Until then, thanks again to you, HashiCorp, and to my audience. And until next time, happy Azure Terraforming. This is the Azure Terraformer, signing off.